Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing your Bitmoji gender on Snapchat. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. To start, open up the Snapchat app and tap on your Bitmoji from the top left corner. Then tap on the Settings cog from the top right corner. In Settings, tap on Bitmoji. If you go to edit your Bitmoji here, you don't have the option to change the gender. To do so, you will have to unlink your Bitmoji. Tap on Unlink my Bitmoji. Tap Unlink from the pop-up. Now tap Create Bitmoji. Tap on Create with Snapchat. Now choose which gender you would like to be. Tap Continue if you would like to create your Bitmoji with a selfie, or you can also tap Skip and create it all manually. Now you can just create your Bitmoji as usual, and then tap Save when you are done. Your Bitmoji's gender has now been changed, and that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Snapchat tips and tricks.